Choose how you work with Brady's bulk box labels that save you time and money. Bulk boxes are compatible with Brady's M611, BMP61, and BMP71 label printers, with loading instructions shown on the back of the box. Here's how to get started. Open and tear off the tab that is compatible with your printer, making sure the leading edge of the label is reachable. Remove the material ramp, and on the lower end of the tab opening, attach the ramp to the outside of the box. Using the hooks, attach the ramp at the printer's material loading slot. This will help align the material and maintain print quality. Open the printer door and insert the spool that's included with your bulk labels. Make sure to align the Print Smart chip. Now you're ready to load your label material. Begin feeding the labels through the material slot. Open the printer door and continue feeding the labels, stopping at the marked arrow inlet. Close the printer door, and you are now ready to print your bulk box labels with the highest output for a variety of applications. Find your versatile bulk and custom label options today